Incremental greetings. So today I have a change of heart and I decided to merge once again my English collection to the main collection. I have been using both separately, so I think that is what is causing this mismatch, that the repetition history data doesn't correspond to the element information data, because some elements are actually in this collection, the main one. So here's one caveat, that a lot of time, very often, is prompting this choice of what's more accurate, repetition history or element information. If I click OK, I have to click so many times, and bear in mind that I did several thousand items, so I think I will need to click several thousands times OK. So what I can do is to run this very small script. As you can see, it's auto hotkey, and the aim is to keep hitting enter. So what you do actually is you look for this window called choices. Here's the title, and send enter, and then you wait. For each pop-up you wait half a second, because if you keep entering very quickly, SuperMemo stops. I don't know why. So what I will be doing is executing this, and as you can see now, it's automatic. Look at the scan, so I can be aware of the keyword and wait for this to end. And I think, based on my previous experience, that will take 20 minutes, half an hour, something like that. So I think this little trick can be useful if you ever merge collections, especially large collections as the English one.